Hey, what's up? Another morning on Saturday morning, and we got that bin filled up yesterday, so today we are filling another bin up. We're trying to make a little more room. It's still a little bit wet today, but sun's out pretty good. We get some wind. We may be able to go shell some more corn here after lunch, possibly. So this morning we're going to make more room so we don't have to quit, because it looks like we got rain coming Thursday, Friday this week again, this next coming week. So, but still kind of got that same setup, that tractor and auger. And we got the tandem sitting over here, and got that other auger running up to that far bin. So we'll see. This will take a little while, just kind of sitting here waiting and watching, because you don't want to leave this stuff alone, because next thing you know, you got a giant pile of corn somewhere because you weren't watching. So it's never fun cleaning that up. That entails a shovel and probably getting out the grain bag. So there's no reason for that. We'll just sit here and watch. So, but that's what we're doing right now. Brother and Dad, they're over working on one of the combines, putting that bearing in, getting it lined out. Looks like we did strike a deal for that Fendt. We ended up getting an 8T instead of the 9 that we were demoing, but we're going to get the 8T with tracks, so kind of excited to see what that looks like. Same pretty much setup as what the one we were running. So got that same head, gearing off 12-row folding head, so it should be in this coming week. And we'll say bye-bye to one of those Kloss Lexions. So other than that, just sitting here chilling in the truck and watching corn. That's why you gotta stick around the left. And that's why I would stay here a while. Stop running back there. Set this one down. Back here. Well, we're pulling off the moving corn, dried out enough. We're going to go shell some corn this afternoon and see if we can load the semis up, the wagons up, combine up, and get that ready, and we'll continue on it tomorrow. But so far today we've got corn moved and got a little maintenance done on the other combine that broke down, so I'm trying to get back after it out in the field now. Well, we got fueled up. Now, ready to get started shelling corn. Put the old Fendt to work. Get stuff filled up. Let's fire this thing up. Close to the end. The wagon up there and semi over there. Another wagon on the other end. So done when we get up here to this end. Well, we've got. This is my third hopper, and this one here just about have this wagon filled up. I done put one on the wagon on the other end of the field. Get that done, fill the semi up. We got one more semi coming. We'll get it filled up, and we'll probably call it a day today. It don't take long for this combine to unload. We timed it 1:24 seconds, and I think I had 450 bushel on the hopper here. So it's pretty quick unloading. Got a big tank, or a big tank and a big auger to unload too. Well, the Fendt's been gobbling up the corn, and we got that semi full. My brother took the other semi, it done bid, so we can get at least another load. The other grain cart's full, and working on this one again. So may have it full before he gets back, but we'll have to see. Knocking around a little bit today, try to get a little bit of a head start tomorrow so we can get the dryer started going again. But the Fendt's getting with it. It does not take this thing long to unload. Flying out of there. Got the semis back, and now we're finishing filling this bin up. Dad's been running the auger while we've been gone and filling the corn there. But got it filled up on top of it. And just going to top this off and probably call it a day. So, been pretty eventful today. We got quite a bit done. We got a little bit prepared, so we'll see y'all tomorrow.